Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the dock battery cable from the connector on the dock system board. Disconnect the two dock pass-through cables from their connectors on the dock system board and remove the cables from their routing channels. Remove the two 6.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the dock hinge assembly to the top cover. Lift the dock hinge assembly off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the dock hinge assembly onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the two 6.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the dock hinge assembly to the top cover. Connect the two dock pass-through cables into their connectors on the dock system board. Route the two dock pass-through cables into their routing channels. Connect the dock battery cable into its connector on the dock system board.